Province ya Kenya umuske William Ruto agenderete taro Yaye yokonekia magendero imeyense nigo ritukoria rero akoretaro ya bene gwikase county ya Nakuru asachakia umuroberio gusemiroberio ao ya magendero hegati yabo ogwaka gikamagoso gochakiwa wiki gwanda gyokoroisia oboyo ya Kaishan Olkaria Ruto oyorenga mo negati ya barayi bande hegati yabo mokonyi bo mugavana bwe county yo nigo bono airari baga na kumwakira umurayi bwense mbuyamana sokorenta magendero asense meyo unagotomanyo murikito Debora Kerubo
Asetaro ya AMAGENDERERO murayi bwense William Ruto ritukoria rero nigagenderera nemiroberio yo imeye county ya Nakuru asacha kyobaga chibeke wanda gyokorosio boyo ya Kaishan Olkaria.
It is significant because for the first time in the African soil, fertilizer will be produced from ammonia that is coming from green energy. This is the first ever plant in this continent that this is going to happen.
Eke wande kyo nigo ke gochikoba ikengencho mona sabaremi abuo barachi konyoro boyo asali golirianse tinga kicho gosimeka batali na tangutangwenda yonsi boigo gokeania magolio kogora koro chinse cheisiko.
We will now have fertilizer that is not imported. For record, we spend close to 80 billion shillings every year to import fertilizer to Kenya. This plant will now generate fertilizer from our own geothermal resources using local products, using local raw materials, local energy, local human capital, and 480 metric tons is close to 9.2 million 50 kilogram bags of fertilizer. That means that not only will farmers have a reliable supply of fertilizer that is not predicated on events elsewhere in the world, whether we have war in Europe or elsewhere, we will not have trouble with logistics, but much more importantly, it's going to save us on our foreign exchange. We will not be using our foreign exchange to import fertilizer. We will be producing fertilizer from our own resources.
Nigo aliye irayo gochikoroisia mabwago ya mache emerongetano ayia gochigokea ni mechando ya mache bunenchere ye moyo commentary gesarie chindagera na gokenia okogora gwe chindagera koro chinse cheisiko
is to build 50 new mega dams across the country, bringing at least 2.5 million acres of land under irrigation to secure our food supply, boost agricultural productivity, and expand our agricultural exports. We cannot claim to be a food secure nation while still depending on rain-fed agriculture. Expanded irrigation will enable us to cut our current food import bill, now standing at Kenya shillings 500 billion shillings annually.
Asenkwa na ayemo deputy governor we county ya Nakuru David Jones nigo airanelio murayi bwensembia abwa sate babuna eke wande kyo nigo ke goche koeneke magole inse yoboyo gochia sabale minaba sae konyora chigasi.
We really welcome the project very much and we pledge maximum support. We are going to give them maximum support in the areas they require within the county government. Now, it is because, Your Excellency, this project will change the economy of the region in terms of jobs, affordable fertilizer for our farmers, given Nakuru is a food basket and will boost the food security in our county.
Umubaziri we chinguru chomolero na mabuta opio wandai nigate abeke wande kyo nigo kere kengenchene nemono asense moye chinguru chomolero no bolemi.
It's also a testament to the fact that green energy can not only power our industries and homes, but can also help us make advancements in the field of agriculture, Your Excellency. And therefore, this day will remain extremely memorable.
Umanyakero go Kenjen Peter Njenga nigate beke wande kyo yokorisio boyo nigoke go chikomenta mabaga yemeremo rige saliendagera na boigo komenya biya kwa bantu.
Speak in megawatts. Today we speak outcomes, more food on the table, stronger rural livelihoods, and opportunity for our youth in precision manufacturing and green technology. Nationally, this project will ease import dependence, conserve foreign exchange, deepen industrial resilience, and inch us closer to self-sufficiency.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensoko TV.